Welcome to Wealth Guru, and here I am back again with another exciting video. And this is going to be a discussion on Burger King, which is one of the largest food chain retailers in the whole world, and it's just had their IPO sometime early this year. So we'll be discussing whether it is worth your time and investment to buy the stock right now. What is the target on the stock right now? What is the stop loss? What's the duration that I suggest you to hold on to the stock? And what are the risks and issues in the stock? So we'll go into detail into the stock. But if you're new to the channel, at this point of time, I would request you to just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I post such video, you can get a notification on that. All right, so let's get started. So this is what the stock has been recommended. This is the recommendation for 5 paisa. The stock has been recommended to buy in a range of 162 to 165 for a target of close to 186, which is almost 14% up from here. And what the technical suggests is the stock has been trading in consolidation pattern for last 7 weeks in this zone, as you can see, and it has been trading sideways with support of 100-day moving average. And on September 27th, the stock bounced from the 700-day moving average with above average volume, and also the RSI and ADX suggest buy on the stock. So this zone, as you see, is just showing signs of breaking this and moving to a new territory, and will be reaching around 186 in next few days. So that's the talk about, that's the technical how it looks like. But let's also go into the fundamentals and find out how the fundamentals of the stocks look like. So here is a longer term chart on Burger King. So as you see, it was like started around December of last year with a price of close to 150, then moved up and down and settled around 162. Right now it even went to a low of 120 in May of this year and March of this year, which was pretty much, you can say, the peak of the pandemic this year. In May it just went down, but as the signs of reopening happening, it is showing signs of moving up from this level. All right, so what the stock looks like from a fundamental point of view, the stock has a market cap of close to 6,242 crores. The P is negative as the stock has posted negative profits. Price to book is 9.3 and operating profit margin is 1%. Now getting into the strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So right now the strength is kind of, it's a bullish engulfing pattern being formed on the stock. The company has no debt, that's a pretty good thing. The company is reducing debt also. The book value per share improving for last 2 years. Company has zero promoter plays, and FI and FPI are increasing their shareholding. And this being a real MNC which has presence all over the world, the business is really strong. And as the reopening happens, this is definitely going to do much better from here. But still, what there are some weaknesses. So what are these? The mutual funds decreased their shareholding in the last quarter. There is inefficient use of capital to generate profits. There is decline in net profit with falling profit margin, primarily because of the lockdown. The promoters are decreasing their shareholding, and the annual net profit is declining for past 2 years. So last 2 years. So these are all weaknesses. What are the opportunities? The opportunity positive breakouts. The second resistance is a street favorite, high analyst rating with at least 20% upside. All the analysts are suggesting upside on the stock. The stock has low P. This deal doesn't sound right because this is a negative P, so you can't say it's good per se. It has high volume, high gain. And finally, the threats, the degrowth in revenue, profits, and operating margin. There's increasing trend in non-core income. So all these are threats. And moving on, like, this is how the stock has been recommended, and there is 12 bullish moving averages and 2 bearish moving averages. And pretty much, as you see, it is up from all this 5-day, 10-day, 12-day, 20-day, and even 100-day moving averages. It doesn't have a 200-day moving average, but all other than that, it's really showing good. And going into the shareholding pattern at the end, the promoters, as you see, has more than 50% of the shareholding over here. Mutual funds have close to 5 to 10%, FI has close to 20%, and public has remaining 25% or so. So no issues from a shareholding point of view as well. So that's pretty much how it looks like. So it is a good technical buy at this point of time. And fundamentally also, as we see a rebound in the economy, we're going to see some positives on stocks like this and all other similar stocks. So that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, I'll request you to subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications every time I post such video. Thanks a lot for watching.